Let's have a quick walkthrough today of how to design a show plate using our design tool. You can upload your own images, including full colors, to change the color of the background of the plate. Any color but white will be printed, so this way you can ensure that your text can be easily seen if it's on a black background. As you can see here, you can delete or enlarge using the icons in the bottom left and right hand corner respectively. To add text, click on text, type in your text, and then click add text. This will place it in the middle of the item, and you can change the color to any color you like from the selected here, and even change the transparency using the slider below. Enlarge your text and place it anywhere you like by clicking and dragging and using the icon in the bottom right hand corner to enlarge or shrink. Using the Manage Layers tab, you can actually rearrange the order of items to make them go behind or forward behind images or text that you've already placed. You can also lock, that way it won't move around while you're still changing the graphics. You can close each of the panels by clicking the X in the top right hand corner. Once you've added text, you can go back and create another text layer by just using the same text tool, typing in, changing in color or font size and font if you'd like, using the options display. Looking to add clip art? We can certainly help with that. Our range of clip art has animals, and all you have to do is click clip art, choose the category, and then click on it. This will place it once again in the center of the item. Don't like the clip art you've chosen? Simply hit the delete icon in the lower left hand corner and then place new clip art if you wish. Don't forget you always have the option to upload your own images using the image tab. You can rotate and place it anywhere you'd like, just remembering that where those holes are, it won't be printed. Remembering you can always go back and change the layers you have if you haven't locked them. This will allow you to go back and change the fonts when you decide something doesn't look right for yourself or the item that you're creating. You have many fonts with the ability to add more on request. Once you've finished creating your design, don't forget to hit add to cart, and this will then put the item you've designed into your cart. Thank you for watching this how-to video on how to create our JDM style license plate. See you soon at Custom Kings.